Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Heat and Thermodynamics. Okay, that's Heat and Thermodynamics. The question is, a hot cup of coffee is kept on a table. After some time, it attains a thermal equilibrium with the surroundings. By considering the air molecules in the room as a thermodynamic system, which of the following is true? A. Delta U is greater than 0 and Q is equal to 0. Delta U is greater than 0, W is less than 0. Delta U is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. Delta U is equal to 0, Q is greater than 0. So what is this? Delta U. So what is U? U is there. So here we consider the air molecules inside the room, a system. Then U is the internal energy of the thermodynamic system, that is the air molecules. What does it mean by delta U? Change in internal energy, if there is any change in internal energy of the air molecules due to this process. What is the process, sir? We are placing a hot cup of coffee on the table. After some time it gives away the heat and it becomes cool. Tea so a hot cup of coffee attains thermal equilibrium by giving away heat energy to the air molecules in the surroundings. This is what happens when you place a cup of tea on a table. Okay? The air molecules gets this heat energy. It means what? Heat energy is lost by the cup of coffee and heat energy is gained by the air molecules. It means what? The heat energy is gained by the air molecules. So Q is definitely greater. It is not a negative value. If it is lost, it is negative. If there is no exchange of heat, it is 0. Definitely air molecules gains heat energy. So Q is greater than 0. Where the heat energy goes, it is utilized. It is used to increase the internal energy of the gas molecules. U is the internal energy of the gas molecules and it is given to the when Q is converted into heat energy of the internal molecules, its internal energy will increase. It means what? Delta U is also positive, not negative. There is no decrease in internal energy but only increase in internal energy. So delta U is also greater than 0. So among the four options, delta U is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. It means what? Option C. Delta is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. Option C is the right answer for this question. Okay, it's an easy question, very easy to solve this. Okay, so we will see one more question that has been asked in the NEET examination in our next video. Okay, till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.